follow these steps. List the items, add all the items, divide the sum by the number of items added. The formula for finding the average is average equals sum of items by number of items. We found 3 to 5 students in each group. Each group given a machine shape of roller. After measuring, now divide the number of members by to find the average of the height. Thank you. Averages are used in various aspects of everyday life. Helping us make sense of data and inform decisions. Here are some common examples. Finance, budgeting. People often calculate the monthly expenses to create effective budgets. Education, teachers often calculate the student marks to evaluate the student performance in